What is up, guys? Back with another 2-minute Tuesday, and this time it's another video for the drift car maintenance.
So you might have noticed one of our previous 2-minute Tuesdays was how to fix the AC by putting in more juice in it. But mine started leaking badly, and I'm pretty sure it's an O-ring failure, so we're going to be replacing that today. What you're going to need is a 6mm Allen key, and the other thing is that you're going to need to get this professionally drained or buy a vacuum or something off Timo or something and drain all the Freon. Mine is already fully empty because it leaks so badly, so we don't need to do that. Like, if I take off the line, there's nothing in there. So yeah, if yours is just slightly leaking and you know where it's leaking, you can't just like open it up and let it go everywhere unless you want to, like, I don't know, do something illegal. But yeah, so ours is already empty, so we don't have to worry about that.
So we'll teleport over to the car in 3, 2, 1. We're now in the front of the car.
Yeah.
Not that we weren't.
I'm gonna take the 6mm Allen key, and if you look right here, this is what it is. I've already opened it slightly. This is the high pressure line for the AC, and this is the low pressure line. And if you know anything about AC, you know that you should not be touching the high pressure line. So I'm gonna take this and just like screw it out the rest of the way. Maybe I should use the flashlight.
Here, I can hold the flashlight.
Yeah, so this wasn't super tight, but I've already broken it loose. You can see there's already green Shrek sauce on it. So I'm just gonna take that out, and then this line should just come free.
And that O-ring is absolutely cooked.
Yeah, so you can see it's like destroyed. So this is where it's leaking from. And so this is gonna be easy work.
Fixage.
So I'm gonna take this off. And there are different sizes for this. So there's a 9.5 and a 10.5, I think. I got it here somewhere. But yeah, so over here we got the cooling system, or whatever, AC system. And what we're working with is 5 and 6. I don't know if you can see that. This is the radiator, and you got 6, which is the bottom one, and 5, which is the top one. So we're working with 6, and if you look at the part number, 6 is the 10.8mm gasket ring.
Can you make your finger work here? Yeah.
So yeah, so that's the bigger one. And so I bought both. You can see this one is bigger, so this is the one we're going to be messing with today. I'm gonna just like sauce this bad boy back in. I thought I was going to take off both, but no point removing something that's not leaking, so I'll just keep it.
If it ain't broke, don't fix.
Yeah. And try to get it on here without breaking it. Okay, yeah, so it's on here. That should be chilling.
It is chilling.
So now I'm just going to shove this boy back in here.
Come on, focus.
There we go. Now I'm going to screw it back in. Should probably wash your hands or wear gloves.
Oh.
That's pretty tight. Okay.
Right, so now we're going to fill it.
Yes, we are. Alright, yeah, so we got these 2 easy chillas. This one has UV dye and stop leak on it, but since we just fixed the leak, it shouldn't need that.
Also, an FYI, that UV dye, we didn't even need UV light. It was just straight green.
It was bright green, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so if you actually look right here, you can see that it says...
Hold on.
It says in German right here that it requires 590 plus or minus 10 grams of stuff in here.
Full manage.
Yeah. So like in here, this only has 262 grams, and this only has 476, and this is like almost empty. So low-key, we're probably not gonna have enough to fill this up all the way, but I'm just gonna put it in as much as possible and see if it gets colder. Yeah. And then you can also see if the pressure is like in the green zone.
What we got going right here is a little pokey stick with a thermometer.
So we're gonna show you what it's like before. I'm just gonna like sauce this in here a little bit, and as you can see, it doesn't feel that hot, but it's apparently like 86 degrees. And as you can see in here, it's on max AC. Like it's on chill all the way down, even on the left.
It's actually 87.
Yeah, so it's pretty hot.
Wait.
Dang it.
As you can see, it already went down 0.3.
Really?
Yeah. So he's round 2. We're starting at 88.4, 0.5. Let me know when you spray it.
Hold on.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna do it.
Okay. So we're at 88.5 right now. Are you doing it?
I am. It's looking leaking out on my hand.
I was gonna say, it's like going up in temperature.
Holy crap, that's so freaking cold. It's like burning my hand.
Dog, don't get frostbite. Oh wait, it's working.
Bet.
Eureka! It's 80. We're going into the 70s. Yo, it's getting cold. Yo, 76.
This isn't gonna fill it up all the way.
75. 74. 73. 72.
Yo, it's working.
71.
Can you feel it?
Yeah. 70.
Yo, let's go.
68. 67. 63.
I think it's almost empty.
Yeah, numbers are slowly falling. We at 62.
The air coming out of it is so cold, it's like painful.
Well, you're at 60 degrees.
I think it's empty.
So we started off at 88.5, basically 89, and we ended off at 59.7.
Wait, come over here and look. The green crap is like everywhere because it leaks out so much.
Oh,
It like
shit.
leaked out here and like on my glove and like all over this area.
Oh.
I'm gonna let you wipe it with the microfiber.